opportunity was quite good because apart from explaining Nyota project, we were also able to highlight a number of other government interventions. I also used this opportunity to talk about tourism, which is a very important component in our country's economy. And I highlighted that last year we targeted 2.4 million international tourists, which we actually were able to attain. And of course, over 7 million bed nights, in other words, the domestic travelers who have been moving to other areas, coast region, central region, and all other regions. And I indicated that for this year, we have a target of 3 million tourists by the end of this year. And by 2027, we're targeting to have at least 5 million and above. And we have put in place measures to ensure that that is attained under the guidance of His Excellency the President, who has been very keen on ensuring that the tourism sector is supported. I'm sure if you went to the Masai Mara today, or even if you're just along the road moving, you will see so many tourist vehicles moving all over. And this is an effort that we are purposely targeting to ensure that our country is marketed. I don't know whether you have heard, but I've always been calling upon the media to support us in marketing the country. There are so many good touristic attractions, be they wild animals, cultural aspects, our beautiful environment, our sports. If you can just do something on TikTok, just to market wherever you come from, you might be surprised. You can market where you come from, and you might be surprised having some tourists coming there. So I want to call upon every person to continue.
They want to place our youth in various sectors under the Nyota program. That is the ICT sector, the agriculture, and the construction areas. We're happy as a county, and thank you for involving us. It is our joy for calling all the elected leaders in this county, for calling all the national and government administration officers. We're all here and we're ready for this. It is going to be a life changer for our youths.